Hey guys, this is Dave from Orchids and Fynbos, and we are back with part 2 of our hike in Silvermine. In part 1 we saw the striking red cluster Disa, and in part 2 we take a look at the Disa graminifolia, or the beautiful blue Grass Disa. If you have not yet seen part 1, please check the info card above and stay to the end to find out the identification of last time's What's That Flower. Also, please like this video if you enjoyed it, and remember to subscribe if you would like to see more of this type of content. So we're kind of near the top. Show you some of the amazing view that you can see from here. And then I've got something really cool to show you guys. It's a King Protea. And then, just a little bit further along, we came across another patch of King Proteas. Look how large these buds are on these flowers. Also, these seem to be a lot lighter in color than the first ones we had seen. Look at how the raindrops just sit on the petals of the flowers. It's absolutely magnificent. I actually planted a King Protea bush in our front garden about 2 years back. I can't wait to see these types of flowers just popping out in front of our door and to greet us in the morning. And look what we have found, the beautiful Disa graminifolia. The blue color is pretty striking on this species. It's an absolutely bright translucent color. The Grass Disa, as it is commonly known, is a highly appropriate name for the species, as its Latin name is derived from its grass-like leaves. This species flowers each year from the middle of summer until the beginning of autumn, is pollinated by carpenter bees, and is a deciduous species of Disa. Disa graminifolia is a common species found on the Cape Peninsula and through to Port Elizabeth. The flowering cycle of this species is very interesting in that the same plant will only flower about once every 3 years. This is because the flower spike emerges from the old tuber, which uses its remaining energy to focus on producing a new tuber, which only produces leaves during the next growing season. In this way, the new growth requires about 2 years to gain sufficient energy to reflower. And here is a really cool bush from the pea family. The flowers look similar to those of the honey bush. These are Watsonia seed pods. And the restios, listen to this. So I hope you guys enjoyed that. Thanks for coming with us on this journey today. We really did see epic flowers and epic orchids. And stay tuned for our next video. Again, hit the subscribe button if you want to see more of these videos, and hit the like button if you enjoyed this. Also let me know in the comments down below what you'd like to see more of. Yeah, have a great day guys, bye. Remember the flower we saw in part 1 of the series? Well, that was Gladiolus brevifolius, also known as autumn pipes. As the name suggests, this plant flowers during autumn each year around March. One of our viewers, Bubbles, mentioned that this flower could also be Gladiolus martleyii. These two flowers are generally indistinguishable apart from the fact that martleyii has a rose scent and the yellow nectar guides are usually better defined.